Hi there, and thank you for stopping by to check our course, Developing and Implementing Food Fraud Prevention Plan. This course will talk to you about food fraud, what it is, examples of it. We will talk about the types of food fraud that you need to consider in your plan. Definitely we will talk about the requirements, particularly the GFSI recognized standards, to the like of the FSSC, BRC, SQF, and some other standards as well. And we will touch on regulatory requirements, whether it's FDA in USA or it's MPI, Ministry for Primary Industries of New Zealand requirements. The most important part of the course definitely is the process that we will go through step by step in full details, how to identify potential fraud incidents, the vulnerabilities that you might have in your supply chain at your site, and we will talk about how to mitigate those. You will get a complimentary Excel workbook to guide you through the process and to document all the work that you will go through. It's very easy, it will save you a lot of time and potentially some confusion. In addition, you will get another audit guide, like a list of questions that you go through to make sure that you are getting it right. Ideally before the external auditor is there, especially if you are audited to a GFSI recognized standard. The last thing to mention, this course is a virtual live classroom course, which means we will run it over a Zoom meeting. You will receive the link, you will join us on the day, and we will go through it. We will have our discussions, exercises, presentations without traveling and worrying about the travel restriction, unfortunately, these days, and the cost that might come with it. So all what you need to do for now is to hit that enroll button, and we will see you on the training day. Thank you, and looking forward to working with you.